good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Monkey.
Good morning, Teacher Jill.
Good morning, Mr. Pig.
Good morning, Teacher Jill.
How are you today?
We're fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Does anyone know what day it is today? What day is it today?
Do you know it, boys and girls?
Well, yesterday was Wednesday, so today is
Thursday.
That's very good. Oh, Mr. Monkey, well done.
Yay.
Okay, so today is Thursday. And can you remember what we learned yesterday? That's right, we learned big and small. So let's see if you can remember. What shape is this? Mr. Monkey, what shape is it?
That is square.
Very good. And what is this?
That is a small square.
Very good. So we've got a big square and a small square. Good job. Give me a high five.
High five.
Very good. Okay, Mr. Pig, what is this?
That is a big circle.
Very good. And what is this, Mr. Pig?
And that is a small circle.
Good job. Okay, Mr. Monkey, what's this?
That is a big triangle.
And what is this?
A small triangle.
Good job, Mr. Monkey. Mr. Pig, what's this?
That is a big rectangle.
Good boy, a big rectangle. And what is this?
A small rectangle.
Very good. High five for you too.
High five.
I'll give you lots and lots of stars for being good boys and girls.
Yay.
Okay, so now we know big and small. I've got some other things that are big and small. This is a big ball and this is a small ball. Is that right? Big and small. And I've also got a big book and a small book. Okay, so lots of things are big and lots of things are small. Can you think of an animal that is big? What is it begins with an S sound. What is it?
I think it's an elephant.
That's right, an elephant is big. Can you think of an animal that is small? It begins with a sound. Do we know what is small?
Mouse?
That's right, it's a mouse. So an elephant is big and a mouse is small. Okay, so now we're going to draw some big shapes and some small shapes. So first of all, I want you to draw a big circle. We'll do it with our finger first. So show me one finger, everyone. Let's make a big circle. Round and round. That's good. Now let's make a small circle. Round and round. Very good. Shall we make a big square? Let's make a big square. Show me one finger and let's make a big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now let's make a small square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's make a big triangle. One finger up. So we go 1, 2, 3. Now let's make a small triangle. 1, 2, 3. Now the last one is a rectangle. So we're going to hold up your finger. Let's make a big rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now a small rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay, so if everyone gets a pencil and a piece of paper, hold your pencil and we will draw. First of all, we will draw a big circle. So we'll put your pencil on the paper and we go round and round. Can you see that, boys and girls? There you go. Now we will draw a small circle. So we'll go round and round. There you go. Big circle, small circle. Okay, now we're going to draw a big square. So we'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. That's a big square. Now we will draw a small square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you do that, boys and girls? Okay, what's the next shape that we know? That's right, a triangle. So we'll draw a big triangle. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's your big triangle. And now a small triangle. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now the next one is a big rectangle. So we'll draw a big rectangle. A long line and a short line there. Short line. And then we'll join up the two lines. And there is a rectangle. And then we'll make a small rectangle. So long, long, short, short. And there we have our shapes. And then when you've done that, you can colour the shapes. So you can colour with green. Colour with blue. That's how we colour blue. Colour with red. And then colour with yellow. And there we go. Is that beautiful? Okay, boys and girls, so if you can try to do that for me, all you need is a piece of paper, pencil, and then 4 colours for your shapes. And then you can take a photograph and send it to the line group so Teacher Jill can see. And I know that you will do a good job because I've seen all your work so far and it's fantastic. I like it very much. Okay, shall I read you a story now? Right. This is a story and it's called You Are Not Small. Shall we turn the page and see what happens? Okay, so we've got 2 animals. I don't know what animals they are. Do you know, Teacher Tin?
No, I think they are hedgehogs.
A hedgehog. Okay. Okay, and he says, you are small. And he's pointing and he says, you are small. But he says, I am not small. You are big. So there he is. Do you think he's big? And he says, I am not big. See. What does he see? See, they are just like me. So all his friends are big. So he thinks he's not big. He says, you are small. And all his friends are small. And he says, I am not small. See, look, they are all small. They are just like me. You are big. Look at him looking. So then he says, you are all small. And they say, you are all big. Because they are bigger than them, aren't they? So he says, small. And he says, big. They're having an argument, aren't they? Now they're having a big argument. And they go, small, small, small. And then they say, big, big, big. And then all of a sudden, boom! Look at this, it's a big foot. Who can that be? Some other things are coming down in a parachute. Can you see the parachutes, boys and girls? And they're all looking up. They have to look up, up, up to the sky. Because he's so big, they can't see his head. And then they said, see, I am not small. And they say, see, I am not big. No, you are not big. You are big. And you are small. They're very confused, aren't they? And you are small, not small. You are big. That's confusing. So then they can't decide who's big and who's small. So what do they say? I am hungry. So then they say, let's eat. And off they go and eat all their dinner up. Did you like that story, boys and girls? It was a bit silly, wasn't it? Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, everyone. See you.